In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily log out of the Facebook app on your Android device. Logging out of your Facebook account is important for privacy and security reasons, especially if you are using a shared device. Luckily, logging out is a quick and straightforward process that anyone can do. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, scroll down to the very bottom. And now you'll see the Logout button. Just tap on it. And then tap Logout one more time to confirm it. And now you've successfully logged out of your Facebook account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.